Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a real quick video for y'all today, so let me jump straight to the point. I'm getting a lot of emails, people asking me if I'm new in credit or if I'm in the phase of rebuilding my credit. What is the easiest primary account I can add on my credit report without no credit check? Yes, absolutely no credit check. And in this company right here, this is PerPay. Now, PerPay been around for a little bit. There's a mastercard that you could get, and as well you could get a virtual card. Now, this is easy and simple. You could go right on your phone. You could download this app. You could sign up, join, and you could get this card with no hard increase, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, you will gain 2% cash back on all items that you purchase with PerPay. You know, PerPay is a platform where they deal with a lot of other vendors. Might be Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's. Is a lot of stores that they partner up with where you'll be able to use the PerPay credit card, which is really easy. Now, as well as it not being no credit check, this will report to the credit bureau, so you can increase your credit score easy, 30 to 60 points in the first 60 days. And then you can get that credit limit up to $1,500. Now, all you're gonna do is apply, people. Once you apply, connect your payroll. So once you connect your checking account, they will see your payroll, and you'll be able to repay whatever you buy back with your payment. So if you get paid this week on a Friday, right, you purchased something last week, next week they will do a certain amount, withdraw, whatever. It depends what you purchase, how much you purchase, and stuff like that. Now, my advice to you now, if you do get this card, you can't get this card as little as 60 seconds. Easy, simple. Download the app, go ahead, get access to this credit limit up to $1,500, a primary account in your name. You don't have no issues, which is really good. Now, you want to build credit, this is a great primary account you can add. Now, I will have to say, you might not want to carry balances every 30 days. The reason why is the APR on this is really high, 29.99%. So this is not a card that, let's say you spend $800, you don't want to be carrying a balance month after month, right? You want to buy, purchase, and pay it off the next month, you know, within that 30-day window. So you're not be paying no kind of interest. And as you see right here, no credit check to your credit report, get that 2% cash back. And again, you could get up to that $1,500 credit limit. Now, even though they got a $1,500, as people's known of after using it for a while, going up to even $3,500, which is really good. And you got to keep in mind, these are the accounts you want to add if you're just starting off, or you might have had a bankruptcy in the past and you're trying to reestablish that credit profile. This is something that you want to get with no credit check. And then you want to see the reviews, go through all the reviews of what people say, how much their credit score increase in a little bit of time of them having it. And you will be doing that repayment again weekly. Every time you get that check, they will be taking a little out of it, depending what is your total balance. So I want to bring that to you because I notice a lot of people ask me, they're very curious of getting primary accounts with no credit check. What can they do? I had a person said they recently had a bankruptcy. PerPay will let you in if you had a bankruptcy in the past, which is really good because we know a lot of other primary accounts, credit cards, credit bills, or whatever it may be, will not let you get their product if you had a bankruptcy in the past. So again, tell me what you think. If you have this card, get in the comments, tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.